Hey guys, it's Andrew Murray here. I want to share with you this little trick that I use to just keep my life better organized as a business owner. Now, there's a couple things, there's a couple really cool services that I just wanted to share with you. Basically, you're going to need a an online accounting platform that's going to be best for integrating and making your life simpler. So, the couple choices with that, there is QuickBooks Online, and there's also lessaccounting.com. Okay, and both of these really kind of do it all for your business. Now, if you're in the States, that's perfect. You know, you can just use one of those. If you're outside of the States and you're dealing with multi-currency, QuickBooks Online doesn't support that. So I've done some research, and pretty much the only one that really supports multi-currency and can also handle PayPal, which, you know, if you're outside the States, it's pretty important, is Xero.com, Xero, and this is who I use to do all my banking. And basically, once you hook up your accounts, it imports all of your data, and then your bookkeeper can go and reconcile that, you know, without dealing with the statements and all that kind of stuff. And I love that. That's really, really important. Now, I know Randy has most of his clients on QuickBooks Online. So if you're in the States, you know, definitely look into QuickBooks Online. But the trick that I want to show you is a little. There's still one problem with this, okay? Because you have receipts that you need to keep, all right? And that's why you want to use Shoeboxed, okay? Shoeboxed basically lets you either scan or, and let me sign out here, lets you scan or here we go, lets you scan or take a picture if you have an iPhone of the actual receipt, okay? So you can scan them, you can mail them in, and basically what you want to do is you want to keep your two types of receipts separate. Okay, there's receipts that have a matching record in, you know, let's say a credit card statement. Okay, those ones do need to be scanned, or you can just keep them, you know, at home. And if you're using an online service like QuickBooks Online, you can just keep those receipts that are attached to, you know, a debit transaction or a Visa transaction. But you still have the problem of cash receipts. So you can use this to mail in all your receipts, or you can just organize your cash receipts. And basically, when you log in here, and I'll just log into my test account here, what you'll see is some receipts. And basically, what you can do. This is a fine record, you know, for the IRS, and they will, if they know the company, they will actually tag it for you. They will confirm, you know, the total, the payment type, you know, the date added, all that kind of stuff. So you can see, if you just take a picture of all your receipts, you know, they'll have all the different ones here, you know, Visa, you know, which statement is from, all that kind of stuff. Now, here's a picture. Here's a typical receipt. Okay, so tan coffee. They don't know what that is exactly. Here's a picture of the actual receipt. So I don't need to keep that receipt. You know, as you can see, this one's bent. It's even got a little grease stain on it, and you really don't want to be keeping all that stuff. But what you can do is you can, you know, edit it if there are any changes that you want. But basically, you can just pop it into whatever category this was. So that was meals and entertainment, and then there you go. Then at the end of the month, you know, you will be able to see all your categories, you know, and basically, you know, see how much you spent in each category by whatever date range that you choose, and you'll never have to deal with cash receipts again. So I hope this little trick really saves you a lot of time, and you get as much value out of it as I have. And that's my intention for you. So sure makes accounting fun. Thanks.